Alright, so it's Wednesday morning. It got quite chilly here last night. Duke and I huddle up underneath the sleeping bag. Look at that view. So we had made these diesel heaters. I gotta rework mine a little bit. But we just been running this diesel heater into the tent. Last night it was actually into the sleeping bag. He's a bed hog. Alright, so just trying out the little camp setup I made up for EJS here. A little tabletop on the slider. Printed a couple of bins and a gas holder. So we'll make some bacon and eggs and we'll see how it works. It's kind of chilly out here. We even got to take care of our best friend here. He gets eggs and bacon too. He's waiting. We'll let it cool off a little bit, buddy. Yeah, and these are working out pretty good. Just steaming the tortillas right now. Need to cut a different board for the top of this though. Stay good. There's Tony's Jeep Talk Show. You guys Gladiator out here doing some. Here we go. Right after that iconic section of the trail where you go under that rock that fell who knows how long ago, you enter into kind of a slot canyon, some cool switchbacks, but epic scenery. Jeep Talk Show! Jeep Talk Show! Okay. Alright, so we're doing Schaefer Road Trail, so we're on Potash Road and heading up there, and then we'll get some shots of the switchback. This is another one of those trails with just epic views. And this area right over there is where we were at yesterday. We walked out on the edge, so if you didn't see that on our Chicken Corners video, check that out. Some more epic views of the Colorado River. There's always great scenery along this route. Make sure you're watching the trail and not to drop off. And since you can't record on Schaefer Road when you get up on the switchbacks, because it's a national park and that's against the law, let's go check out some of the concept vehicles from Jeep. I'm curious to know what your favorite vehicle would be if you had a chance to order any of these. Would it be the new Scrambler or the Wagoneer? Or would you like the old Cherokee? It's a nice curious on which one is your favorite vehicle and or which color you might like. Oh, right on. So I remember seeing the last couple versions of the Magneto. It still has a stick shift in it.
That's the battery pack, right?
Yep. I think this Grand Wagoneer would make the ideal overlanding vehicle for you and a family, and or tow vehicle if you wanted to. You could load this thing down and really haul the whole family out for an extended period of time and not really be cramped for space. It really is a pretty cool setup they got right there.
And they have the old reliables.
What's your thought of the new grill? Leave me some
I like
comments.
the blue on this.
And if you'd like to see more overlanding stuff from us, let us know. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you here in some more of our Utah adventure.